There are moments in sports when time bends.
Hello mga ka-DJ, papasilip ko po sa inyo yung training highlights ni Pacquiao at ni Barrios po. At makikita natin yung pagkakaiba, kaya na po ang magsabi kung sino ang mas magaling talaga sa dalawa at sino ang mas may malaking tsansa na manalo sa darating na laban nila sa July 19 sa Las Vegas, Nevada.
Manny Pacquiao, 8 Division World Champion, 46 years old, out of retirement, coming not for cash, not for clout, but for glory. And not just
nakita nyo naman ang mga galawan ni pambansang kamao. Sa totoo lang, di ko nakikita na nag-slow down siya eh. Hindi talagang pangat ng pangat yung kanyang performance, yung galaw niya, speed, footwork, yung determination niya, makikita mo.
The AK-47 is not
wala akong masabi kay Manny Pacquiao.
Does not sparkle in the light like a sniper's scope. No, it was built for utility, durability, and one singular mission impact. So was Manny Pacquiao. Where others were sculpted in Olympic gyms with six-figure trainers, Manny was forged in hunger, forged in dust.
Ito yung bunga ng kanyang pinagdaan ng paghihirap nung maliit pa siya. Yan, makikita niyo. Napakapayat pa ni Manny Pacquiao dyan. Talagang grabing hirap ang kanyang pinagdaanan. Makikita mo ba? Bakas mo sa kanyang mukha talaga. Ngayon, ito na si Manny Pacquiao na nakagawa ng pangalan. Narating niya na yung tugatog ng karina sa pagboboxing. Wala na siguro tayo mahihiling pa kung tutusin. Pero si Manny Pacquiao talagang nais niya pa rin bumalik sa ring. Hindi ko malaman kung ano pang nais niyang patunayan. Sinasabi niya na ito yung kanyang passion, hinahanap-hanap talaga ng kanyang katawan. Nakita niyo yung mga shadow boxing na yan. Ang lakas ng kanyang impluensya sa mga tao. Ginagaya siya, pati yung Team Pacquiao, yung mga boxers natin, yung mga susunod sa Pacquiao, yan, dyan sila Marcial, dyan sila Sultan, sino-sino pa yan, pati yung mga tao, pati si Shane Mosley, nakisabay na. Ganong katindi ang kanyang impluensya. Yun sa takbo, nakita nyo naman, sino magsasabi na 46 years old na to? Grabe. Hindi ko makahanap ng salita kung paano ko i-describe ang ating pambansang kamao.
This is what happens when the sport is more than a job, when it's a religion, a calling, a way of breathing. For Manny, boxing isn't what he does, it's who he is. And when something is a part of you, you don't let it go just because a calendar page turns. He's coming back to show the world what's possible when the heart refuses to quit.
Iisipin mo bang 46 years old to si Manny Pacquiao?
They believe in him.
Ayun, pumasok pa sa mga laban ni Margarito yan, nung talagang grabe kami. Personally mga ka-DJ yan, sinusubaybayan ko talaga yung ating pambansang kamao. Sa totoo lang, kahit saan anong laban niya yan. Sa politika lang talaga ako medyo hindi kumbinsido. Bumababa yung crime rate pag nilaban si Pacquiao. Mga tao nagbubunyi. Yun yung kanyang pagkatalo nun, pinakita.
He's not fighting to prove anything. He's fighting to remind
us.
Every time Pacquiao steps into a ring, he reminds us that age is a number, not a limitation.
Walang
hindi siya. That you can be humble and still be a monster inside.
Bumababa yung performance.
That you can fall 10 times and rise 11. This isn't about the critics or the doubters. It's not about proving it's about showing the dreamers their way.
Palarin ng ating pambansang kamao, pero hindi natin pwedeng malitin ito si Barrios. Yan, from
Barrios is no joke. He's fast, he's tall,
Texas.
He's got youth and rhythm. He's a world champion for a reason. But man is not just another opponent.
Bata, sa kanya na. At tinalo niya yung si Ordenis Ugas yung tumalo kay Manny Pacquiao. Na sinasabi ni Manny Pacquiao wala siya sa kanyang kondisyon ng mga panahon na yun dahil marami siyang iniisip, may naghain ng demanda sa kanya at saka meron din siyang politika na inaayos sa mga panahon na yun, presidential election, di tayo nagkakamali yan. Grabe.
Mario El Azteca Barrios didn't lace up gloves just to play
Mario Barrios from Texas.
He didn't come this
sa kanya rin yung advantage, yung kabataan, matangkad, malaki,
to be remembered as the other guy in someone else's epic
speed.
He is the WBC
welterweight world champion,
30 years old in his prime. A physical
Kung ikukumpara kay Manny
fast,
Pacquiao, mas
fluid,
mabilis ang ating pambansang
powerful,
kamao.
with arms long as shadows
Pero
and
hindi
legs
natin
built
pwedeng
to carry
malitin
him
si
deep.
Mari Barrios talagang.
And come July 19,
Nasa kanya yung mga advantage din,
2025, fire is exactly what he'll walk.
Sana wag kapusin ang
Across the
ating
ring will
pambansang kamao
stand a
pagdating
storm
ng
of
laban.
history and fury.
Masustain niya yung kanyang
Pacquiao,
stamina
the
kasi
8th division
ito
champion,
bata
the
talaga.
living legend.
Tsaka
The
ito,
fighter Mario grew up
ano to,
watching
kumbaga
with
gutom
wide
sa
eyes,
kampiyon.
sitting
At
cross-legged
gagawa
on the
siya ng
carpet while his
kasaysayan
ankles hollered, and the
kapag
TV
tinalo niya ang
flashed
ating
images
pambansang
of a
kamao,
whirlwind from the
ang
Philippines,
ating 8th Division
tearing
World
through
Champion.
legends
Pag
twice
tinalo
his
niya yun,
size.
talagang kahit sabihin mong
Back then,
46 si
Barrios
Pacquiao,
wasn't dreaming of
si Manny
fighting
Pacquiao pa rin yung malaking bagay
He was
kay Mari
dreaming of
Barrios
being
yan.
like him.
Mga power puncher.
But this isn't
Mga
a
power
dream.
punch yan, pinapractice.
This is
Power
war.
punch.
From watching
Yan,
to
siguro.
war. There's something poetic, almost
Grabe,
mythical.
kaya
about
matinding
this
hamon na naman tong
A
harapin
kid
ng
who
ating
once stared
pambansang
at a
kamao.
television screen watching his idol fight under the bright lights
Kayo,
now
kayo.
steps through the ropes to meet him.
Kayo ang
under
humusga
those
po
very
mga
same
ka-DJ,
lights.
kayo makakapagsabi.
But this isn't about sentiment.
Paki-comment
This
nyo lang
isn't
sa
about
baba
nostalgia.
kung sa tingin nyo sino
Mario
ang mas
Barrios may
malaking,
respect Pacquiao's legacy,
mas may malaking
but he's
chance
not
na
here to
manalo
polish
base
it.
dito sa mga
He's here to
pinapakita
test
nating
it, to challenge it, to end
training
it.
highlights ng dalawa nating
Because
boxing
Mario
hero.
Barrios didn't become world
Ito.
champion by luck. He became
Sinasabi
world
ng
champion
mga
because
commentator
he
hindi
refused
niya
to be
nakuha yun dahil sa swerte lang pinaghirapan niya. Siyempre bago niya narating. Pero
Barrios'
bago siya naging
journey
champion,
is
natalo siya
carved
kay
with discipline. Born and
Jerbon
raised in Texas,
Davis.
He didn't
Sa
come up
super
with a silver
lightweight at
spoon or a
yung
boxing
pangalawa kay
dynasty
Keith
behind
Thurman.
him. What he had
Doon
was
siya natalo yung dalawang
hunger.
yun.
Not the kind that fades when
Pagkatapos
you get
noon
your
yun,
first
nagpapanalo
paycheck.
na siya at
The kind that burns
nakuha niya
deep
nga itong
until you get to the top.
WBC welterweight.
He's a student of
Assist.
the game, a warrior.
So hanggang dito
with
lang
deep
tayo mga
roots.
ka-DJ.
His nickname,
Sana po
El
nagustuhan yung
Azteca,
episode nito.
isn't
Hanggang sa muli, ito po si
decoration.
DJ Master nagsasabing
It
laban lang.
represents a spirit that
God
honors
bless you all.
tradition
See you
while
on my
forging its
next
own
vlog.
path in blood and
Bye.
sweat.